Pluto is a fascinating and mysterious world beyond Neptune in the Kuiper belt. Although considered the ninth planet in our solar system, it was reclassified as a dwarf planet in 2006. From the beginning, Pluto was out of place. Its orbit crosses that of the other planets, which is not a planetary phenomenon. However, this did not diminish the interest in this amazing celestial body. As we explore beyond Earth in search of life, Pluto appears to be an exciting and potentially important topic. Once not thought to be a good place for life, recent discoveries on the surface and under the ice cap have exceeded our expectations. Stunning images captured by NASA's New Horizons mission in 2015 and other observations are challenging our previous understanding of Pluto, revealing that it is much more than a dwarf planet. These findings have baffled scientists because they are inconsistent with what was previously understood. As we delve deeper into Pluto's hidden mysteries, we are plagued by questions about how big this world has been forgotten on Earth. Is Pluto -1 to the power of 3, 4, 5, or 6 to Earth? This question asks us to consider the nature and extent of Pluto in the universe. The theory of a liquid ocean beneath Pluto's icy surface is supported by the appearance of twin fractures and the absence of large craters in some areas, indicating recent agricultural activity from what was intended. The idea is not new since 2006. The scientific literature has discussed the existence of subsurface oceans on many celestial bodies outside the atmosphere, including Pluto. However, the arrival of NASA's New Horizons project in 2015 provided new information and stunning images that fueled this idea. When the probe reached Pluto, it offered the first detailed view for scientists of one of the solar system's most enigmatic objects, revealing a surface marked by a network of fissures, ice volcanoes, and a huge heart-shaped basin. These discoveries have led some scientists to believe that even more surprising phenomena may be hidden beneath the surface. For example, analysis of the images revealed an icy basin called Sputnik Planitia, located in a position almost exactly opposite Pluto's largest moon, Charon. Although this could simply be an accident, the odds are low. Only 5% of models suggest that when this basin formed, there may have been a subsurface ocean that played a role in shaping it. Later, nitrogen gas present in Pluto's atmosphere cooled and solidified in the frozen basin, and the accumulation of additional water and ice generated a heavy load that tipped Pluto into its current alignment. The idea of a subsurface ocean is still a controversial idea, but images of the far side of Pluto support the theory. Strong evidence has been found, including a phenomenon known as turbulent terrain, which includes craters and uneven plains. This planet can be seen on the other side of Pluto from the basin called Sputnik Planitia. Scientists have found similar features on Mars, Mercury, and Europa, one of Jupiter's moons. In these areas, it is likely that the asteroid or comet created a shock wave that connected with the other side of the body, causing effects similar to the shockwave seen on Pluto. Alden Denton, a graduate student in planetary geology at Purdue University, simulated how an asteroid impact could send shockwaves through the dwarf planet. These simulations presented a scientific coherence, suggesting that such a collision would only have been possible if Pluto had a liquid ocean beneath its surface. Oliver White, a planetary scientist at the SETI Institute in California, conducted a geologic map of Pluto but did not participate in the simulation study. Although the features observed on the far side appear similar to others seen in the solar system, the low resolution of the images leaves uncertainty. Nonetheless, there is a consensus among scientists that Pluto has geological peculiarities, particularly a large number of cracks on its far side, which suggest the possibility of a hidden ocean and shed light on its potential origin. Long-standing theories about Pluto's oceans suggest that these oceans are ice that melted under the heat of radioactive material in the rock. In this situation, as the ice melts in the cold pool and refreezes, ripples appear on the surface, similar to the wrinkles that appear on sitting apples. In the refrigerator, these cracks are caused by the shrinkage of the ice as it melts and its expansion as it dries, cracking the surface. If this theory is correct, images of Pluto should show both old cracks and new cracks. However, images from the New Horizons mission show mostly cracks, suggesting that the surface of Pluto's ocean began with water and eventually dried up. Observations by the New Horizons probe have revealed a large crack running near Pluto that appears to stretch from the North Pole to the South Pole across the dwarf planet. This feature, known as Pluto's rift, does not represent a sudden change in the surface, but a sign left over from the continuous expansion of the sea ice. The presence of water on Pluto is indicated by observations of water near the planet showing signs of condensation into carbon molecules. Although it seems unlikely on a planet like Pluto, laboratory experiments have shown that radiation from the Sun and planets can form complex organic compounds, including the bases found in RNA and DNA. These findings strengthen the theory that Pluto could host organic matter and support life. In addition, the survey's observations revealed a red band at Pluto's equator, made of organic material from an area with more sunlight and warmer temperatures. This discovery is important because it indicates the presence of liquid water and organic matter on Pluto, two main ingredients for life. On the other hand, some UFO hunters have claimed the appearance of artificial structures on Pluto, pointing to the features of dwarf planet images, such as the visible smoke trail. On the surface, while NASA claims it's an extraterrestrial phenomenon, some believe it could be evidence of extraterrestrial life on Pluto. Often referred to as an unusual planet, Pluto continues to fascinate astronomers and enthusiasts due to its complex nature. One of the wonders of Pluto is its atmosphere, which is dynamic and constantly changing regardless of its distance from the Sun. Pluto's atmosphere, mostly nitrogen with traces of methane and carbon monoxide, changes seasonally, expanding and contracting as it orbits the Sun. This phenomenon is reminiscent of the seasonal changes on Earth. Although Pluto has a cycle of 248 years, these changes occur over a much longer period. At its closest distance to the Sun, Pluto's temperature rises and the nitrogen dioxide turns into an atmosphere, thickening the atmosphere. As it moves farther away, colder temperatures cause the air at the surface to freeze, causing the atmospheric pressure to drop dramatically. This circular behavior is well known for the processes that govern icy bodies and can serve as a model for understanding similar conditions in distant exoplanets. Another notable feature of Pluto is its irregular surface, which presents a mosaic of surfaces that tell the story of its history. New Horizons observations revealed regions characterized by flat plains, high mountains, and deep valleys. The area known as Sputnik Planitia is fascinating, with large limestone plains showing polygonal patterns thought to be the result of shifting seabeds. These examples represent the ongoing agriculture and hint at a world that has not died. Pluto's mountains, some of which reach 3,500 meters in height, are mostly rock-like water ice in the world's coldest climates. The presence of mountains indicates that Pluto has experienced tectonic activity. This geological work contrasts with the popular view of a fixed, unchanging planet, suggesting that Pluto is a dynamic body with a complex history. The appearance of methane on Pluto's surface is also interesting. Methanes can produce a wide range of colors and shapes, adding to the complexity of Pluto's vision. Scientists believe that the interaction between methane and the Sun's ultraviolet rays can create complex organic compounds. This raises interesting prebiotic phenomena that may occur on distant planets and demonstrates Pluto's potential as a target for astrobiological research. Additionally, Pluto's conjunction with its moons, especially Charon, adds another layer of complexity to its characteristics. Charon is too big for Pluto to be considered a binary system. The interaction between the two bodies causes synchronous rotation, which means that Pluto and Charon show the same shape as each other. This unique relationship affects orbital dynamics and may contribute to geological processes in both bodies. Recent studies have revealed that Charon may also harbor a subsurface ocean, complicating our understanding of the system. Pluto's pull on Charon produces enough heat to hold liquid water beneath its icy crust. These findings suggest that Pluto and Charon may have a history of geological activity and organic chemistry. The scientific community continues to improve its understanding of Pluto, and the future may shed more light on this distant planet. The continued analysis of New Horizons data has led to discussions about other missions to the Kuiper Belt, where other similar objects could provide comparable observations. Objects like Haumea and Makemake, which share characteristics with Pluto, can provide valuable information about the formation and evolution of the solar system. The theories of understanding Pluto are not valid. Studying these distant worlds can reveal theories about the formation of planetary systems, including our own. By examining the similarities and differences between these celestial bodies, scientists can develop a comprehensive view of the processes that govern the formation and evolution of planets around the world. Pluto's fascinating structure, including its ability to form carbon atoms, has led to speculation about its ability to support life. Although its extreme cold and distance from the sun seem to preclude life as we know it, the presence of a subsurface ocean and radioactive elements make Pluto habitable in some ways. This opens up exciting avenues for astrobiological research and challenges our assumptions about the origin of life. Finally, Pluto is a world of diversity, from its atmospheric beauty to its diverse geological features, from its ice caps to its subsurface oceans. Its mysterious nature challenges planetary definitions and forces us to rethink what life is all about. As we continue to explore our solar system, Pluto serves as a reminder of the mysteries that are still waiting to be discovered. Whether it's considered a planet or a dwarf planet, Pluto remains a fascinating subject and a way to understand the complexities of life.